Hello everyone, Wayne Steinkoff here from Swank Cake Design with some Fabulace quick tips. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make edible, flexible lace using Fabulace. Even if you've never used any lace product before, don't worry, I'm going to take you through it step by step. Why, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Mix your Fabulace according to the instructions on the package. For best results, let the Fabulace rest for about 2 hours in a covered container so all the air bubbles will come to the top. 2. Spread the Fabulace mixture into a mat of your choice using an offset spatula. Then clean it up with a PME icing scraper. Allow the Fabulace to set by letting it air dry for about 6 to 8 hours, or you can speed up the process in your oven by baking it at the lowest temperature your oven will go for about 15 minutes. For best results though, I recommend letting it air dry. Once your lace is set, but before you remove it from the mat, apply a second coat of lace. I feel this provides a stronger lace and it will be easier to handle when you go to put it on your cake. 3. Once the second coat of lace is dry, turn your mat over and carefully peel the mat away from the lace, leaving you with a beautiful, flexible piece of lace. You can apply your finished pieces of lace to your cake right away. Spray your cake with a thin misting of water, either through your airbrush or with a misting bottle. Or you can actually spray the back side of this lace and then put it onto the cake. Now remember, as durable as this lace is, if you get it too wet, it will dissolve. Or you can store them indefinitely to use on a future project. Just be sure to separate your finished pieces of lace between pieces of parchment paper or wax paper, and then put them in a Ziploc bag. Well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, in Canada, you can get your Fabulace at flowerconfections.com. And in the US, you can get your Fabulace at swankcakedesign.com/shop. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these Fabulace quick tips, and I've inspired you guys to do something fabulous today. So until next time, stay fab!